I tested a side hustle that claimed you can make $7 every 60 seconds by just watching videos, and this happened. I was just scrolling on YouTube looking for the next thing to make me a millionaire when I stumbled upon a video. This video claimed that you can make $7 every 60 seconds by just watching videos. And I thought to myself, well, that would mean that we only need to watch videos for an hour per day in order to make $420 every single day. Quick math. I decided to give it a shot, and here's what happened. First, I came on a website right here, and it says you can earn cash by completing surveys, watching TV and doing offers, and the watching TV part is of course what we're looking for. Once I created my account, I can see all kinds of surveys that I can complete in order to make money. Now this was not what I was looking for, because I'm gonna make $7 every 60 seconds by watching videos. So I went over to the watch tab right here, and we can choose out of 2 different platforms to watch videos on. And now in the method he was using Lootably, so I'm just gonna use this one. Then when you click on start, it will take you to another page where you can see different types of genres, so like food, DIY, gaming, business, just watch videos. So right now I'm just gonna click food because I'm hungry. Then it will take you to a page where you can watch videos, and then you can magically earn $7 every 60 seconds. You just need to watch video after video.
Hello guys, welcome back.
You just need to watch video after video, and you can click on the next video, or it will also just automatically play the videos after it. And here are my results. So in total I made 5 points, and for these 5 points I think I spent 10 minutes watching videos. So that means I would have to make $70, right? But wait a minute, let's go to the gift cards and cash, and right here we can choose the different types of cards that we want in order to get paid. I'm just gonna use PayPal because it's the easiest one, and click on redeem. But wait, for $2 we need to have 2250 points. Let's just round it off. You need to have around 1,000 points for $1, and I have 5. That means that in the 10 minutes I spent, I made a grand total of half a cent. But wait, there was an extra bonus tip that showed me how to make this much money, and that was go to this website and open as many tabs as possible, so you're watching like all different types of videos at once. But that doesn't work as well, because you need to be on the page actively in order to let the video play. If you go to a different page, the video will simply stop playing. What did work, however, was if you moved it at the side, so right here, so you have like 4 different videos on your screen playing. But to be honest, it's just a lot of work for very little reward. Also, a big red flag that I found is you can see the leaderboard right here. You have quick links and then the leaderboard, and the top earner has earned $160. And if we would make $7 for every 60 seconds, wouldn't he be earning much and much more? If I was just sitting at home doing nothing and I can watch videos for an hour, doesn't matter what the videos are, but I will earn $420. I'm gonna watch those videos. Then you can also earn money with their affiliate program or their referral program, but again, it's not a lot. Like, it's 500 free points when they sign up, so that's still 50 cents. So all in all, this method just doesn't work, and it's complete garbage. If you're interested in a method that does work and you're looking for a way to create a lot of YouTube shorts, then click the video right here. But for now, I will see you in the next video.